Quotes on World Nature Conservation Day. First, those who conserve and preserve nature deserve to be part of nature. Second, conservation means the wise use of the earth and its resources for the lasting good of men. Third, he that plants trees loves others besides himself. Fourth, conservation is the state of harmony between men and land. Fifth, if conservation of natural resources goes wrong, nothing else will go right. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.